Hello, 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 everyone. Very good evening. Also, I want to start off by saying, whoever is joining over here, sorry guys for the inactivity in the last week. Been a little occupied with a few stuff, so wasn't able to be that active. But it's going to continue for this week as well. Uh, and from next week onwards, I will be more active. So, apologies for being slightly inactive for the last few days. And yeah, we'll just wait for a few minutes and we'll get started. Hi, hi, Sabir. How are you? Guys, we'll start the call in 2 minutes. Just please until then settle down. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session of our arcade room. I can see a couple of chatter going on around the recent, situation that was happening in India. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. Let's settle down a bit. So to answer the biggest question, I think the chat over here has a doubt on who is the special guest today. Unfortunately, we do not have any special guest for the evening, but as I mentioned in the previous session, that our the platform on which we are going to onboard new games being created from the arcade room finally has a developer portal ready. We'll talk a little bit about that, but before we get started, let's have our round of rituals. So I'm going to start sharing my poll link now, and let's get started with the rituals and then move forward from there. Okay, so let's get started. Which city or area are you guys joining in from? So please go ahead and key in your responses over here. Which city or area are you guys joining in from? So I've shared the link over here. Please requesting everyone to go ahead onto the link and type in your responses. So I can see some responses over here. Someone's joined from Gorakhpur, someone's from Mumbai, someone's from Delhi and Chennai. Liari, who is here from Liari यार? नोएडा, छपरा, कोई तो छपरे से ज्वाइन कर रहा है. जंतर मंतर, अभी भी क्या कर रहे हो यार? जंतर मंतर से अभी निकल जाओ, अब तो हो गया ना. कोलकाता, someone joining from Kolkata, Hyderabad, uh, Bharuch, Antarctica. Oh my god, you guys are so funny, man. Okay, so we're gonna let this go on for the next 10 seconds and then we move on to the next question. Bhagalpur, what is Bhagalpur? टाइटैनिक के बगल से. वाह, डूब नहीं गए अब तक. नागपुर, someone here from Nagpur. What else? Which other area? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. किसी ने बोला एक्स के घर से कैसे? Okay, one second. I'm just taking a screenshot now of this and then we move on to the next question. I will also share this screenshot with you all. And now the next question, which is what I look forward to every week, which is games that you've played this week. So guys, go ahead, type in your responses, games that you've played this week. And okay. GTA San Andreas, NFS Payback, It Takes Two, Mumbai Gullies Mobile. कौन है भाई? नहीं डाला है यार Mumbai Gullies. None. Oh man. Wuthering Waves, Death Stranding, Delhi Gullies. Who has played Delhi Gullies यार? India versus Pakistan in Discord. The Gamblers Clock, GMTK. Oh, GMTK Game Jam just happened. That's interesting. That's nice. KCD 2, 24 FPS. Oh, someone is here from Mac. What? Jannat of Imran Hashmi in Uno. ये क्या होता है यार? What is this? Jantar Mantar Simulator. Waiting for Animo game. Okay. Unrailed. Protest किसी ने खेला है ये हफ्ते. Nice. Okay, so 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we move on to the next question. Let me just take a screenshot of this. And finally, last but not the least, which mobile phone model do you use? So guys, go ahead. Last question for the day, and then we move on to our session wherein I will be introducing you all to the portal that we have in store for submitting your games. Okay, sir, chat कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं यार? I already have this link, right? So I'm just reading from here. Which mobile phone model do you use? Why did you ask these questions every time? Well, simple, just to collect data, just to know you guys better, just to understand what sort of games do you have, and we have this as a form of a ritual. So whenever you're joining these calls, you know that this is the way to go. And every religion has some sort of rituals associated to it, and we are gamers. We follow the religion of gaming. So this is just something that we have conceptualized between ourselves. There's no logic to it. It's just random fun. So we've got Samsung A56, Samsung A52, Dhoom Machale, Dhoom wala radio. What is this? Bazaar, iPhone 15, Kharida hua bazaar. What the heck? Okay. All right, 5 seconds more and then we move on to our session for the day. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And last question for the day done. Okay, I also have to mention that, guys, I am in progress with recording the gameplay footages of the games that you guys had submitted in the game jam. So sorry it's taking a little bit longer. I have to record all these sessions again. आज का मुद्दा क्या है? Today's मुद्दा is very simple. I'm going to have this banter for the next 30-40 minutes, and I'm going to introduce to you all to this new platform which I had announced a couple of sessions back, wherein we have our own some of our games deployed onto this platform, and the developers of this platform reached out to me and asked me that if I can kind of have developers from my community submit their games to get onboarded onto their platform. This is a brand new platform created within India by this company called T9L. And the purpose of this platform is pretty simple. It is quick instant play games. Think of it like an Instagram for video games, wherein you've got small bite-sized games on the platform. And right now this is a platform that is in progress, in development. We also have a feedback channel dedicated for this platform, so you guys can try out this platform yourself, and if you can play games over there and submit your feedback over there as well. ये सब कौन खेलता है ज़िंदगी के साथ खेलो? अंकित मंडल ज़िंदगी के साथ तो ये देखो अनस्क्रिप्टेड ओजस ने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया, पर वो तो खेल गई. Yes, and yeah, Faden, you are quite right. Attention span of people has actually decreased drastically, and in today's age and time, people actually want instant gratification. We live in the age of reels. We live in the age of short form content. And nowadays, while there are bigger podcasts out there, but large number of people prefer watching short form content. So that is where gaming is also moving, and wherein we have the likes of bigger games like Grand Theft Auto and NFS and whatnot. But largely, a lot of gaming is actually happening in short form content. So very simple games like, say, Candy Crush or Subway Surfers. Games of those sort are something that are actually catching up, especially on the mobile platform. And on top of that, what is actually rising in the market is browser based games. We've got these platforms like Crazy Games, we've got Pokey, we've got all these other platforms wherein we've got simple games, right? You've got also have simple games on YouTube nowadays. So this Oppo's platform is made in India itself, and what the intention of the developers is amazing. I really vibed with it, and that's the reason why I said that we've got some amazing developers over here. And Faden, yes, I am in talks with them to get Lightning Edge onto Oppo's platform as well. Guys, on Oppo's, I'll just share the link with you. You guys, if anyone has missed this out, you guys can just go ahead to oppos.com. You will have a better experience of this platform if you're accessing this from a browser, okay, on mobile phone, okay. So if you're playing from a mobile phone, that will be amazing. And what was I saying? Okay, and the developers over here, you have a golden opportunity to be a part of this platform, to have your games as a part of this platform in its initial stage and form, okay. So myplocity.com, no, I have not tried myplocity.com. Let me actually check it in the background, because sometimes what can happen. Myplocity, I can't even see this. What is this? Myplocity, what is this? My Play City, do you mean My Play City? Yeah, so my Play City, no, I just checked this. Okay, so this is like a browser-based platform. I can see. You can download games on My Play City, but on Oppo's, the biggest advantage is that you don't even need to download any games. Okay, you can directly play games online. Why the name Oppose? Any backstory? Actually, that's a very nice question. I will ask the developers about a backstory of this, and maybe we can have a chat soon on the background of this. Anyway, guys, so what I actually wanted to do was to show you guys how you can actually submit games to Oppose. And as of now, this platform is completely free to play. There's no monetization element in this whatsoever. So right now, whoever submits their games won't really get paid anything as of now. But as soon as the developers as soon as the platform starts monetizing, the developers will also start earning revenue share for their games. Okay, so monetization elements are in progress. However, if you look at their overall platform right now, there are no ads they're playing onto their platform. Thereby, there is no monetization. Any specific engines and monetization. So HTML5 based games, any kind of HTML5 based games can work right now. I will have to ask them if WebGL games are supported or not. But you know what you can actually do is directly go ahead on developers.oppose.com. Okay, so developers.oppose.com, and you can start submitting your game, sorry. The best part about Oppose is that their target audience is US and Europe. Okay, so if you submit your games to their platform, you will have a US or European based audience. Okay, that's where their main marketing efforts will go. So while the platform itself is built in India, but the target audience for all these games will be global audience, specifically from the US and European region. And guys, just go ahead. It's a very simple platform. You can directly log in via Google onto this platform. The URL is developers.oppose.com, and the UI flow is completely ready. All you have to do is submit your game's build, submit a couple of screenshots and videos, write in your game's title and description, and boom, it will go through an approval process. Obviously, they also want to have as many good quality games as possible. So there is a review process for the games, but whatever it is, you will get all the data for this through your dashboard, and you can track the progress of your game. Once you submit your game, it will go through a proper review process. And this platform is right now open to all. In fact, open to all means that we, as a community, Arcade Room has the first exclusive access to submit games. So, while there are some other games existing on the platform as well, there are two games that we've made from the community that have already gone up onto the platform. One of which is Bloom, and the second one is Blob Merge Creatures. And now you guys also get a chance to submit your games directly. Okay, so there's been no public announcement of developer submissions being taken on Oppose as of now. Very soon there will be, but this is your chance to have the first mover advantage. And if you already have any existing games that you think can work well on mobile platforms, specifically mobile platform, then go ahead, utilize your time of this evening and submit your games right away to oppose.com. Okay, that brings me to my next question for you guys. Now, we've had some fun, amazing guests coming on to Arcade Room sessions every week. Today's session and last week's session was a little bit thanda. We didn't have any special guest, right? So I want to ask you guys now, who should we invite? I think someone had mentioned Zasar as a special guest in the previous session. So I haven't asked him yet. That's on me, guys. Sorry about that. I will be asking Zasar if he can be a special guest for the next session. Who else? So Beast Boy Shubh. I don't have Beast Boy Shubh's direct contact, but I can try. Kushal Bed, yes, Kushal Bed I can ask. The Outlaw is here to do session with him. Do the session with him. Outlaw. Okay, Outlaw. Where is Outlaw? Where is Outlaw? Where is Outlaw? Is he on the call right now? I can't see Outlaw on the call. But ठीक है. Okay, Outlaw. Okay. Games of Weber. I can ask Games of Weber. I am connected with him. I'm connected with him on LinkedIn. Tanmay Bhatt. Unfortunately, I don't have his direct contact. Carrie Minati is same. Tanmay Bhatt, however, I can find out via. Let's see. What about any other game dev like Mr. Deshmukh? Oh, 100%. Pratik, can you connect me with any good game developer in your network? I also know one of my friend who used to work in 2K. So let me ask him as well. I can try some designers. Sure. Varun Maya. Varun, I had reached out to him, but he's a busy guy, and I don't know if he would be able to participate. But I can try asking him again. Why not? Weber from Mukti. Okay. मिथपैट के थ्रू तन्मय भट्ट तक जा सकते हो. आई कैन टॉक टू मिथपैट for Tanmay Bhatt's contact, but I don't know. Let me try. Let's see. Okay. Awesome Genome, yes. Streamers or game creators understand what type of game audience like. That's true. Mythpat ko hi le aao. I can ask Mythpat, but let's see if he can agree or not. Let's see. Okay. So guys, please drop in your suggestions in suggestion tab. Let's see. Triggered Insan. I don't know Triggered Insan personally, but I know a guy who looks like him. There's this guy called named Vijay Duggal. He looks kind of like Triggered Insan. If outside India possible, can we do brackies? Oh yes, 100%. I mean, we can try. Let's do this activity. Okay, let's do this activity, guys. How many of you guys are on Twitter over here? Twitter or X or whatever you call it. How many of you guys are on X? Let's see. So just go ahead and follow me over here. This is my account, and whoever follows me, like right now in this session, I'm gonna follow you back instantly. And let's do one thing. Let's sort of create a thread of replies tagging all of these guys, John S. Tyler, Thomas Brush, Brackies, whoever you guys want, and let's use the hashtag arcade room. But I think arcade room is much simple. Like, I don't know if people will get the reference to arcade room. कोड मंकी कर, हाँ, अनफॉलो करके वापस फॉलो कर दो. हाँ, वो कर दो. whoever is over here. Okay, I am active right now on X. Okay, if I get a notification that you are following me, I will follow you back. So no BS has followed me, I'm following him back. Faisal Khan followed me, followed back. Soham Das and Ojas Srivastav followed me, followed back. Pankaj Kumar Maurya followed back. Who else? Jor underscore Dan 34. Anyone is Jor underscore Dan 34 over here? Okay, regardless, followed back. Pankaj Kumar Maurya, Shreyash Rahate followed back. Okay. Asha Sharma, CEO of Xbox. Difficult ask, not impossible though. Let's see. दोनों आईडी से फॉलो कर दिए. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. We are in the same boat. Which boat? I don't have socials either. Okay. All right, guys. So let's see. We'll make it happen. Okay, we'll try and see who we can get onto our next call. Also, guys, we are dangerously close to have 500 members. Right now we have what 486 members on the Discord server, guys. Very close to be 500 members, and once we unlock 500 members, magic will happen. So I want you all to actually start sharing the link of our Discord server as well, because we've had some amazing sessions so far, and we've been doing these regularly since April, right? April, say, there has been not a single Monday that we have missed, guys. And it's only going to get better from here, because now things are starting to get even more crazy. We have partnered up with a games distribution platform. We have a couple of games out there. We tried a bunch of things. Some of them failed, some of them didn't work out, some of them were moderate successes. But with the support of our community, I'm pretty sure and confident that things will be more and more exciting from here. So please, guys, go ahead and wait, ये क्या है, कौन सा YouTube channel है? Ash Dev. Let's see, 6.8k subscribers. Okay, cool, guys, just go ahead and invite them. Okay, and mods, please keep an eye. If you find someone who is worthy of being a guest on our sessions, let's take help from the community and let's push this community forward. Guys, just spread the link of this community as much as you can, guys. Like right now we don't have any cap, while we do have a wait list, but that's just so that we can have some sort of an exclusivity to our club. But please feel free to invite as many people to the Discord server as much as you can. सर आप गेम मंत्री बन जाओ डेफिनेटली. अभी के अभी गेम जनता पार्टी बना देंगे अभी हम लोग, GJP गेम जनता पार्टी, गेमर जनता पार्टी, और या फिर ARJP आर्केड रूम जनता पार्टी. Anyway, guys, you guys are funny, guys. You guys are damn funny. But guys, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So just to sum it up, I think I don't have much to say today, but what I'm gonna do in this week is that there are two things that I have to do. First one is I've recorded an interview with Faden for his game Lightning Edge. So that is supposed to go up on our YouTube channel. But before that, I have to record all of the amazing gameplays of the games that you guys had submitted for the game jam, and those will go up on our Arcade Room channel. Okay, so I'm very excited to have them up on our channel as well. So let's see, those are the two tasks that I have to do in this week. And as and when you guys submit your games, if you guys feel that your games are worthy and you want me to push them to get approved on the Opus platform, let me know once you have submitted those games. Okay, so I'm very much looking forward to see your games coming up on opus.com, and I hope you guys put out some amazing games and earn lots and lots of money. To make things very clear, as of now, this platform does not have any monetization elements, and at the same time, you guys are also free to distribute your games on other platforms. You're not restricted by just submitting these games on opus.com. You can submit these games on other platforms as well. You can submit them to Crazy Games, Pokey, itch.io, wherever. This is just yet another platform for you all to submit your games. Okay, so please make sure that you're making the most out of it, and especially the developers over here, please go ahead and utilize this opportunity. Faden, I will be helping you push Lightning Edge to opus.com. I've already made a few changes over there on the game based on your feedback. I just have to sit down and finish that up and get it up and running. So I'll be constantly in touch with you, probably either this week or the next week. This week is a little tight, but next week, once I'm a little free, let's revisit your game and get it up and running. Okay, call Mr. Cham Yong as a guest. Who is Mr. Cham Yong? I have heard the name. Follow back कर दो. अच्छा, और किसने follow किया है? Whoever has followed me on X, Dr. Cham. Yeah, Dr. Cham Yong. Okay, X Google, X Nvidia. Definitely. If Dr. Chamyang is ready, I am all okay for him having him as a special guest for the next session. Is the legend of Tawang. Okay, Dr. Chamyang. Is he ready? Yes, yes. If he is ready, I am ready. Subscription खत्म हो गया. Faisal Khan has. अरे. Okay, one sec. Okay, I'm following back a couple of more people. Missing Sock01 following you back. Dhruv Patel Art, it's a private account. I have sent you a request to follow. Game Dev JJ followed back. Okay, so all of you guys who have followed me on X, I have followed you guys back. And you know, I'm extremely active on X nowadays. I'm responding to people, I am replying to tweets, I'm kind of, you know, also giving a little bit of support to indie developers heavily through my Twitter account. And I make 2 posts at minimum a day, one in the morning as soon as I wake up at around 9ish, and then one later in the evening. पोस्ट कर दो प्लीज़ एक्स पे. क्या पोस्ट करूँ सर? आप कौन सा गेम खेल रहे हो अभी? यार, आई एम प्लेइंग 007 फर्स्ट लाइट राइट नाउ. 007 फर्स्ट लाइट. हैव यू गाइस प्लेड इट? Have you played Blasphemous? I have not played Blasphemous, but I've been recommended to play that game since the longest time. But I you know, this is the problem, right? It's so many games to play and so little time. So I'm sure everyone faces this struggle here. I'm sure everyone has like 10 different games that you want to play, and there's just not enough time. Anyway, guys. So I think that would be it for today's session. Just I will sum it up. So you post on X related to guest. हम reply में उनको tag. This is such a brilliant idea. Let me do that right away. Okay. One second. Okay, I am posting a tweet. Okay. I am posting a tweet right now. Okay. Let me post it, and I will paste a link of it over here. I'm looking for a special guest to come on the next session of Arcade Room on, what is the date? 3rd August, right? 3rd August 2026. Arcade Room is an invite only community of high signal gamers. If you have any recommendations, then reply to this post by tagging them. Sure. Link to Arcade Room. I will also post the link in the reply to this post. In reply below. ठीक है. I am posting this tweet. ठीक है. I have posted. Okay. And just give me 1 second. I will quickly type in a reply to that post as well. If you guys have followed me, then you will already or automatically get that post. Okay, this is exciting, guys. This is exciting. Whoever gave that suggestion, like, thank you so much. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Where is the, I need to find where my Discord server comment is. It's like this link that I have. Okay, want to be a part of okay. Done. Takishi's Castle में स्वागतम. वैसे ही कुछ तो था ना. I don't know. Okay, done, guys. I have pasted the link as well, and now I am copy pasting. I'm waiting for release Animo upcoming Unity game, and it looks like it's made in Unreal Engine. Okay, I will check it out. Infernus, thank you so much for the recommendation. मेरी गेम मिल गई. कौन सी गेम भाई? ये कौन, क्या लीक कर दिया क्या मुंबई गलीज? अरे यार. भाई क्या बोलूँ यार. Don't trust all of these. Don't trust all of these. It can be spyware. It is spyware. Of course, we haven't released Mumbai Gillies anywhere. So don't, guys, don't fall for these traps. You guys are better than this. Please, guys, don't. Okay. All right, guys. So I have shared the link of this. Can this server handle the traffic after this tweet goes viral? I mean, I guess. I hope. Let's see. अच्छा ठीक है. So guys, to sum it up, it takes you to the Steam page of Mumbai. I figured that out. हाँ वैसे ही कुछ तो होगा. अच्छा ठीक है guys. Oops, I dropped my phone. Sorry. All right. Okay, guys. So that is it for today's session. Next session we will definitely have a special guest. But as a part of today's session, we covered a couple of things. Firstly, I will be recording all the gameplay footages of the game submitted in the Game Jam and post it on Arcade Room channel. Secondly, we will have Faden's interview up on our Arcade Room channel this week after all the gameplay footages have been uploaded. Thirdly, very important news for all of us over here, especially the developers in this community. Opos.com has opened up their submissions for new developers to submit their games onto their platform. These will be purely HTML5 games. If you feel that some of you guys have created some games for the Game Jam, if you feel those are also suitable for Opos.com, go ahead and submit them, and hopefully they should be able to pass the quality metrics, and I wish you guys all the best. If you do feel that your game is worthy enough, you can ping me or the mods, and they will inform me to make a recommendation on your behalf. I'll try my level best to see if your games get approved. One big disclaimer, Opos.com is currently under development. There is no monetization elements onto the platform whatsoever, so you won't be earning anything right now. But as soon as the developers of the platform start monetizing, you will be getting a revenue share, and all of the data will be shared with you transparently through the dashboard. Their dashboard is live at developers.opos.com. You can directly log in via your Gmail ID, and you will get access to all their development tools out there. And I've posted a tweet on X or Twitter or whatever you call it, to invite some special guest onto our session in the next session. So please, guys, go ahead and tag whoever you feel is worthy enough. You feel that is worthy enough to come onto our session 15 of Arcade Room on 3rd of August. Okay. I think today is session 15, right? I think it's the naming part always gets a bit messed up. So Omicron, I think today it is. Yeah, okay. So 16th session of Arcade Room. Okay. So 16th session of Arcade Room, we will see, our Twitter or X will decide who will come. So which game engine is best to make HTML5 games? For me personally, I think if you're making 3D games, then Three.js is very good. Otherwise, Phaser is good. But if you're looking at like proper game engine, then Unity does support making HTML games, but they are like mostly WebGL supported. So yeah, that's that. Okay, all right, guys. So that's it for today's session. I wish you guys all the very best for your submissions to opos.com, and whoever has submitted their games to the Game Jam, stay tuned to the Arcade Room's YouTube channel. In fact, this video is also going to go to Arcade Room's YouTube channel, so make sure that you are subscribed to Arcade Room's channel as well for all the amazing content planned ahead. Okay, all right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next session. Until then, take care and love you all. And before you go to sleep, please don't forget to brush your teeth. It's important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. With this small message, I wish you all a happy week ahead, and looking forward to the next session of Arcade Room. Bye-bye. Take care.